In this video, we are going to revise land and soil resources. Hello friends, welcome to the Tapasya for IAS YouTube channel. So let's begin. Land resources. Total area 328.73 million hectare. Ranks 7th globally. Cultivated land second globally. Supports 16.7% of global population on 2.4% of land. Land use trends. Forest increased from 14.2% 1950 to 24.62% in 2021. Net area shown increased to 45.2% 139.42 million hectare. Cropping intensity increased to 143.6%. Non-agricultural use rapidly increasing due to urbanization. Dry land 69% of India's land is dry, arid, semi arid, dry subhumid. Land degradation and desertification. Extent 97.85 million hectare, 29.7% is degraded. 30% faces desertification. Causes water erosion 126 million hectare affected. Wind erosion 11 million hectare affected. Acidic soil 9.4% area. Saline. Sodic soil 6.6 million hectare area. Anthropogenic deforestation, overgrazing, unsustainable farming. Desertification, land degradation in dry lands, major state Rajasthan, Maharashtra, Gujarat. Consequences, reduced productivity, biodiversity loss, wire scarcity, poverty, migration. Government initiative, UNCCD. Commitment, achieve land degradation neutrality, LDN, by 2030. Bond challenge, restore 21 million hectare of land by 2030. Programs, desert development programs, PM Krishi Sinchai Yojana, soil health card. Soil resources, unconsolidated material on earth surface. Its components are mineral fractions, organic matters, air, water. Characteristics, texture, sand, silt, clay, loamy, soil is ideal. Structure, arrangement of particles, crumb structure is best. pH, activity, low percentage of hydrogen in humid, low pH in humid area. Alkalinity, high pH in arid areas. Formation factors, parent materials, climate, organism, topography, time. Here are major soil types in India. So first is alluvial soil. Its characteristics like highly fertile, rich in potash, lime, poor in nitrogen, khadar, new and bhangar old. Location, northern plains, river deltas. Rice, wheat, sugarcane, jute. Black regular, clayey, higher water retention. Self-plugging soil is called black regular soil, rich in calcium carbonate. Deccan trap, Maharashtra, Gujarat, Madhya Pradesh. Cotton, sugarcane, jowar. Red and yellow. Red due to iron oxide, loamy, sandy, poor in humus, nitrogen, phosphorus. Peninsular India, Eastern Ghat. Millets, groundnuts, pulses. Laterite, found by intense leaching. Laterite soil found by intense leaching, high in iron oxide, low fertility. Western and Eastern Ghat and Northeast India. Tea, coffee, cashew. Arid desert, sandy coast, high soluble salt, fertile with irrigation. Western Rajasthan, Haryana. Bajra jowar. Soil problems and conservation. Problem here is like erosion, water, wind, exhaustion, waterlogging, salinity, alkalinity. Conservation method is afforestation, planting trees. Example, NAPGIM. Contour plugging and terracing, reduce runoff on slopes. Control grazing, prevents overgrazing. Strip cultivation, reduces wind water erosion. Wind breaks shelter belts. Tree to protect field. Flood control prevents topsoil loss. This is the end of lecture. So friends, we will meet in the next video. If you have any doubt, you can ask in comment section. And please subscribe the channel, like the video, and don't forget to press the bell icon so that UPSC focus videos keep reaching you. Jai Hind.